Hello everyone. Let's talk about keeping your Synology NAS running smoothly. Today we're diving into the S-Union upgraded DS1815 plus 250W power supply, a potential lifesaver for several Synology and even NAP NAS models. If you own a Synology DS1815 plus, DS1812 plus, DS1513 plus, DS1512 plus, DS1511 plus, DS1813 plus, DS1515 plus, DS1010 plus, RS814, RS815, DS2015XS, or even a NAP TS531, pay close attention. A failing power supply can bring your entire network-attached storage system to a halt, and nobody wants that. This S-Union power supply is designed as a direct replacement, potentially saving you from costly repairs or even data loss. The key here is compatibility. S-Union specifically lists a range of Synology models and even a NAP TS531. It also helpfully provides compatible part numbers, DPS 250AB, 44B, and DPS 250AB, 89B. Before you click that buy button, double-check your existing power supply's model and part number to ensure a proper fit. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches later on. Now, there's a crucial warning included that needs highlighting. If you're experiencing a DOA, dead on arrival, situation with a DS1515 Plus or DS1815 Plus after installing this power supply, it might not be the power supply that's the root cause. S-Union explicitly states that this could indicate a motherboard issue requiring professional repair by Synology. This is valuable information, preventing you from chasing the wrong problem and potentially wasting time and money. S-Union emphasizes the quality of this replacement power supply. They state that each unit undergoes rigorous testing, including high and low voltage tests, aging tests, load tests, and short-circuit protection tests. This comprehensive testing aims to ensure reliability and safety, which is paramount when dealing with sensitive electronic equipment and valuable data. Finally, let's talk about after-sales service. S-Union offers an 18-month warranty, which is a significant commitment and provides peace of mind. They encourage customers to reach out with any questions or issues, promising full after-sales support. A responsive and helpful customer service team can make all the difference if you encounter any problems during installation or operation. In conclusion, the S-Union upgraded DS1815 plus 250W power supply appears to be a viable replacement option for a range of Synology and NAP NAS devices. The listed compatibility, quality testing claims, and warranty offer a degree of confidence. Just remember to double-check those model and part numbers before purchasing, and heed the warning about potential motherboard issues with certain Synology models.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.